Hello and welcome guys to today's trade recap. I'm sorry I didn't do a video yesterday due to I already told you that I'm not going to watch the chart, do any kind of stuff related to trading. I'm not going to lie, I did, but not for a long time. I think only 15 minutes or something, just to check in the markets and something. And there's nothing actually in the market yesterday, and I didn't chart and I didn't do anything, but I didn't have any idea to do the video about it, so I decided to not do a video. But today we did take a trade, and and I'm not going to fucking lie. You can see it by yourself. You can see it by your fucking self. Like, look at this shit. Like, imagine getting fucked by this hard, bro. Like, look at this. One fucking pip away to hit take profit. What? This has never ever happened to me. Never. And the most thing that angers me, like, there is nothing that price can reverse off of it. Like, look at the 4 hour. There is no fucking draw on liquidity right here. Look at the 1 hour. There is no fucking draw on liquidity right here. Look at the 15 minute. We already closed below the fair value gap right here. There is nothing else. The only draw on liquidity left is this Asian session lows. 5 minute. We did close. Like, I don't fucking know what happened. And brother, this could have been a fucking banger. Like, hold on, I messed up with my entry list. So this was a 1 to 2 risk to reward trade. I was about to dub this trade. I stick to my plan. I didn't do any fucking thing. After setting my take profit, after setting my stop loss, I didn't touch MetaTrader ever. Even though my trade was literally about to fucking hit as little as one fucking pip, and I didn't touch anything. Because there were a fair value gap right here, there were potential, we did, but then it's like break a structure to the upside. And the thing that happened is, in the nighttime, I entered this trade at 12, I think, or 11:30, at 12, I guess. And I let the trade on for a whole day, and then I forgot that today is a Friday and market close at the night, and I was not home. I don't have a phone, of course, to check in my trade. And then when I got home, it was a little too late, bro. It was a little too late, and I couldn't close the trade, and I'm still in this trade to this day. I'm going to very unfortunate that I'm going to hold this trade during the weekend. Hopefully we don't get fucking wrecked on this shit, because on weekends stop losses don't work. Price might do a significant move up or down with a big gap, and that gap doesn't count on your stop loss or your take profit. The order limits does not work on weekend, if you guys know that shit. So hopefully we don't get. There is a news I checked on AUD. There is news on Sunday, but AUD is pretty relative to USD JPY, but hopefully we do get a reversal, because on the 4 hour we look good a little bit, because we still have, hold on the daily, no brother, we don't look good at all, nigga. Oh my, we don't look good at all, brother. The only thing that remains with us is this 15-minute gap. and we already broke it, I think. Yeah, we already broke it. Yeah, we're cooked, bro. We are so fucking cooked. No fucking way. We are cooked. I'm going to hit stop loss on this thing. But regardless, I'm going to do the trade recap for you. So no much yapping. No more yapping, and let's go straight into today's video on how I did get this trade. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe. And let's go straight into today's video. So starting off with the daily, I got a bearish bias due to this downtrend, overall downtrend on the daily, and then we had this one daily fair value gap, and that was working like such high draw on liquidity to pretty much to market reverse, and we were having such high impact draws on liquidity, like this says high liquidity, this says high liquidity, this previous daily low, these previous daily lows, these previous daily lows, and the market is moving in a downtrend. We took out liquidity from this. We're pretty much looking bearish on the daily. So let's get down to the 4 hour. We are looking more bearish. We broke this 4 hour bullish order flow by doing market structure shift right here, change of character. Market like literally flipped the trend from bullish to bearish. We left on with a big ass fair value gap on the 4 hour and this breaker block. So what did I say? I wanted price to reverse from this, so I drew down equilibrium. We already was in a discounted price. There's more likely a higher chance to price reverses. So what did I do? I scaled down to the 1 hour. There were a huge ass SMT. This was the SMT, and then we had this hourly, also the fair value gap and the breaker. And what did I waited for? We already had one more SMT right here. We have two bearish SMTs, 4 hour fair value gap, 4 hour order breaker block, high draws on liquidity, and one daily fair value gap. So I scaled down to the 15 minute. We did already broke structure right here, and then we left on with this fair value gap. Let me draw it to you so you can see. Hold on. We left on with this fair value gap, price touched it, reversed, and then reversed this order block, kept consolidating for a little bit, reversed equilibrium zone from this low to this high, from this high to this low, and then it did break structure on the 15 minute. And while it did break structure to the 15 minute, it did invalidate 1 hour bullish fair value gap, and we broke structure on the 1 hour. So everything looking so fucking good. So I scaled down the 5 minute. This is clear fucking setup. We broke this order block, we created this fair value gap, we broke structure, we did the market structure shift. Everything is looking good. I see this fair value gap, and I say, all right, once we broke structure on the 1 minute on that fair value gap, I'm entering this bitch. And as soon as we did that, hold on, this was right here. As soon as we did that, boom. Hold on. Like, due to spread and thing, I think I got filled right here. So whatever the thing is, when we broke structure to the downside on this thing and we invalidated this bullish gap, I entered right away. So my stops were above these highs. Pretty fucking simple setup. My stops was above these hourly highs, or these London session highs, I guess, and my take profit, my one and only take profit was at these Asian session lows. It's a fucking strong, clear ass drawn liquidity. Then I closed my laptop once I entered this trade, and I did my stuff, and then I checked on this trade, and let me show you something. And let me show you fucking something, bro. Look. This is what I saw. I said, okay, we have, I think, 1 hour fair value gap right here. Prices, I'm not exiting right here like a dumbass. I'm not letting my emotions play out. There's an hourly fair value gap. Everything is looking good. We invalidated this 15-minute gap. Okay, price is going to retrace into the fair value gap, fill it, and then boom, hit take profit. As easy as that. And what did I do? I let off everything. I didn't set my stop loss at the break even. We have also this hourly fair value gap. We have a bunch of fucking confluence that tell me that price is going to rip down. I let off everything. I closed my laptop once again, and then, god damn it, brother, god fucking damn it, I'm back at drawdown. Tell me this shit is not trading against me or something, bro. Cause like, bro, like, when you come up from a fucking losing streak, 8 or 7, it's already fucking 7 trades losing streak, and something touch you in the ass like this. Tell me what you're going to do. Tell me what I can't explain my feeling right now, bro. I'm super pissed off, but I'm not pissed on myself. I'm pissed on the market, but I did what I did. I followed my trading plan, my trading rules. I probably managed this trade. I did every single thing that I'm supposed to do. I didn't let my emotions play out. If I was emotional on this trade, I could have closed this trade right here. But I said, let the fucking trade play off. And I got racked on that shit. So, yeah, nothing much to learn from this trade. I really don't know what to learn from this thing, because like everything is perfect. So, and right before I think market closed, I did my take profit is not like right here, because I resetted my take profit in the last hours of market close, and I set my take profit all the way down to here on this previous daily low. So why I did reset my take profit? Well, because if anywhere price is going to return and take out these Asian session lows, that means we already qualified bearish order flow, and now we are maintaining bearish order flow. We invalidated this little ass bullish order flow, and then we are 100% going to take out this previous daily low. If we are going to anywhere take out these Asian session lows, we are definitely going to take out these previous daily lows, because it's such a strong pool of liquidity right here laying below us. We already in a downtrend. We have a lot of lows right here, like these lows, these lows, these lows, these lows, and these lows. And over on the daily, we have these lows, and on the 15-minute, there's a bunch of fucking draws on liquidity right here. So what markets want to do? Even two choices. Even though it's going to take out this London session highs before it do the stuff and continue on going down, like to take out these draws on liquidity, or it reverse off of this, I don't know, breaker or something, or equilibrium, because we are in an equilibrium zone right here, or reverse from equilibrium and do the stuff, because we I think from this move there's a lot of retail traders who entered right here and stops below these lows and below these lows and below these lows. like obvious price is going to take out these lows, but I don't know, because my stop loss right now is not looking too good because it's too tight, I think. Yeah, I got bite in the ass today, and pray for this trade. I will inform you on Monday or at Sunday night, because I'm going to watch this trade on Sunday night while market open. Hopefully we don't get wrecked on this thing. Hopefully price reverse, and yeah, I'll inform you right when this trade hits, whether TP or stop loss, and hopefully it hits take profit. So without that being said, thank you guys for watching. I catch you guys up on tomorrow, on Saturday. I'm going to do a crypto video update, and on Sunday I'm going to do as always, a psychological video, and I'm planning to do a tutorial video on how you can journal these trades, because everything I'm doing right now is I'm journaling and backtesting. Every single thing I do on the market, I write it down, and now I'm doing a YouTube video talking about it, and I'm writing it down on Notion and on my personal notebook with paper and fucking pen. So I'm going to do, I think, a little tutorial video on how you can journal these trades, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you up tomorrow. Peace out.